daily transactions on Ton, wallet on Linear, and now finally launching on Sui. This is the story of the MemeFi Airdrop. MemeFi is moving to Sui, and today I'll show you how to check your eligibility criteria and prepare for the migration. There is only one criteria for the MemeFi Airdrop, and that is you must have a balance greater than 50 million, or you must have made at least one purchase on the app. If you meet any of these criteria, you are eligible for the MemeFi Airdrop. Any other criteria will only boost your airdrop rewards. The first way to check which of these criteria you've ticked is by visiting your MemeFi bot and tapping airdrop. Wait for it to load. The more criteria that are ticked off here, the greater your reward. The snapshot hasn't been taken yet, and it will be taken on November 12th, 12 p.m. UTC. If you haven't met any of these criteria and you want to boost your airdrop reward chances, you still have enough time to meet the criteria. So this is the timeline for the MemeFi Airdrop. From October 25th to November 5, we will have the OKX Connect and Sui wallet creation campaign. On November 6th by 12 p.m. UTC, MemeFi will take the final snapshot, and there will be the OKX wallet airdrop checker and open off-chain deposits. Same time, there will be on-chain claims and listings. This may be subject to change. Remember, MemeFi has shifted their TGE a few times. The OKX Sui wallet creation has started, and you can join by installing the OKX wallet on your mobile or on Telegram. Import the seed phrase from your MemeFi wallet. If you haven't backed up your seed phrase, go back to your MemeFi app and tap wallet, tap settings, and here you will see the option to review your phrase. So that is what you will import to your OKX wallet. Now, if you are using the OKX wallet on your Telegram app, launch the OKX bot. You'll find the link to the bot in the description and click import wallet. Paste your seed phrase and tap confirm. You can choose any of these methods to secure your wallet. Tap next, tap allow, follow the prompts, click start your Web3 journey. And now I've imported my MemeFi account to my OKX wallet. To view the MemeFi airdrop checker on your OKX wallet, open the link in the description. You can decide to open your OKX wallet on Telegram or on your wallet app. Whichever of these options you use, make sure you've imported your seed phrase from your MemeFi wallet to your OKX wallet, and make sure that is the account your OKX wallet is switched to. So in this case, I'll be using the OKX wallet on Telegram, so I tap on it, and now I can see the MemeFi airdrop checker on my OKX wallet. Right now, there are still some issues with detecting the spins and Ton transactions. Hopefully, this will be fixed in the future. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more MemeFi updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. If you haven't joined the Center testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. You'll also find other testnets to join in the bonus section of this video description. XENEA has launched its airdrop campaign, so check out the link in the description, sign up, and start claiming your gems daily. Don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So get ready for the MemeFi airdrop, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.